let's begin making the Red Pandas mask. Now to make the Red Pandas mask, keep your A4 colored sheet, red, or you may take orange, children. I'm using a red. Fold it into half very neatly like this, and then you all know the side which is folded should be on your left hand and the side which is open has to be on your right hand. Yes, perfect. Now the Red Panda's face is triangular, which is slightly pointed on the top or narrow on the top, we can say. Now this time I'm going to make you do the ears while making the face only. We are not making the ears separately this time. So what are you going to do? Start from here, not from that corner, almost from here, and bring this down and make the curved shape. Can you see? I've made the curved shape, right? And now the ear has to fit over here, a triangle. I hope it's visible to you all. Now children, the zigzags we'll do it later. Now, ready for cutting? Be careful, take help of elders if you do not have the baby scissors. You're not going to play with the scissors, please, at all. Just use them very safely. And here I am, ready with my Red Panda's face. Now, ears also I have this time, and you can see I've got the leftover paper, since I told you let's not waste, from the yak, which I'm going to use to make his eyes, the inside of his ears and his nose. Now see how I'm going to do, though you all know how to make the eyes, children. Now before making the eyes, I need his eyebrows also. To add the eyebrows over here. His eyebrows are white, so I'm thinking that since the eyebrows are white, I'll make the eyes with black. Okay, now for the eyebrows, what do you have to do? You just have to make this shape, a triangular shape. Small, not big. His eyes are not big like the yak's. He's got very small eyes. Okay, my eyebrows are ready. I can use my Fevi-stick and glue them. Now I want my eyes, and like I said, I'm going to make my eyes with black color since his eyebrows are white. So what am I going to do? Reusing paper. Let's not waste. Let's protect our environment. You are as it is. We are collaborating this, integrating this with your EVS class. You are integrating it with your EVS class, and EVS talks all about environment. It talks about animals, plants, our nature. It gives us so much. So we also have to do something for our nature, right? And what we are doing, we are reusing paper so that we save trees. Now I have made a small eye, and since the sheets are 2, when I will cut it, I will get 2 eyes of the same size together. Here you go. Remove the extras, and here you are. 2 eyes are ready. Now I have to make, let's clean the space. I have to make his nose and the mouth. And now for the nose and the mouth, you know children, nowadays many animals are losing their homes because humans, we are cutting down trees, we are cutting down the forests, and they are under threat because their homes are the forests that have trees. Now I'll reuse my paper again, and I want this rounded diamond shaped nose. So I'm taking this circle part and I'm just making a nose like this. With my scissors, very carefully, I'm going to cut this out. Done. And I can glue this right over here. Now it's time to glue the things. Eyebrows, pointed side inside, children, the big nose and the mouth area, eyes. Let's put the eyes. All right. And then what about these two designs? Again, for the two designs, I can use two triangle shapes. Again, make that triangular shape which I taught you for the eyebrows. Make it again. Cut it out. And you can paste it like this, or maybe like this. I think this way with the pointed on top, pointed side upwards is looking better. So take your glue. Children, again, now let me use my black and the red markers. Draw the triangle for the nose. Fill. Straight line. Curve, another curve, and then this part of the mouth. My red panda is done, and those of you who are interested in doing some extra work can cut out two little triangles and put them in the ears. So here you go. A very nice mask of Red Panda is also ready. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed crafting. Bye bye.